Great.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this math class in additional mathematics section. This section is related with sequence and series. Some students have asked me the questions about how to find or how to recognize whether the sequence is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. It is arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence. So for that, I'm answering you through this video. So please have a look. Here is one question. So recognize GP. This is an example. Recognize GP if they have common ratio R equals to second term by first term equals to third term by second term. If the ratio is coming same constant number, then you can recognize it as a GS geometric sequence and series or GP geometric progression. Like you can see here, example, one question is here, 1 by 20, this one is first term, 1 by 10 is second term because they are separated by the comma, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. So ratio, common ratio, this R means common ratio because the ratio remains the same. Since it represents its character by showing its constant value, we say common. So common ratio equals to T2 by T1. So T2 means here second term, you can see here. So second term. So this is, this one is second term T2, and then this one is T1. So you can see T1, this one is 1 by 20, and this T2 is 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10 by 1 by 20 is definitely, it goes up. And 1 by 10 into 20 by 1 it becomes, and then we can finally write as 2. So here also, we want to see whether it is again coming the same thing or not by writing again common ratio formula following this pattern, this T3 by T2. So if R equals to T3 by T2, then definitely you can look here, 1, 2, 3, 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 is T3, and T2 means 1 by 10. So here also you can see 1 by 5 into, okay, it goes in this way. You can see here, 1 by 5 into, when we are dividing, when we are converting the division into multiplication, we have to do reciprocal. For the down part, that's why reciprocal of 1 by 10 is nothing, but it's 10 by 1. Okay, so if we cancel this 5 1 to 5 and 5 to the 10, then definitely you will get 2 into 1, that is, you will get 2 into 1 is equals to 2. So this 2 I'm writing here. Okay, the same process was done for this one also. So since they have common ratio, they are in GP. So recognize the terms, recognize whether the terms are in AP. Okay, you have to recognize the terms are in AP if they have common difference. So common difference means D, represented by D, like R for ratio, D for difference. So T2 minus T1 equals to T3 minus T2. It should have the same value. Okay, so now let's see. So the question here is an example like minus 25, minus 11, 3, 17, and dot dot. So D means constant difference, or you can also say common difference. So D equals to T2 minus T1. So T2 means second term. You can see here second term is minus 11 and T1 is minus 25. So minus 11 minus 20 minus 25 is minus 11 minus minus plus, because there is bracket. Bracket signifies multiplication rule. So minus into minus is definitely plus. So minus 11 plus 25 is plus 14, because the bigger number, the dominating number, has plus sign in front. So similarly, like that, D equals to T3 minus T2 equals to 3 minus, you can see T3 as 3 and T1 as you can see T3 as 3 and T2 as 11, and then deduct here, substitute the value, and then 3 minus minus plus, and then it became 3 plus 11, 14. So you are looking the same thing here, constant. So you can also say constant difference or common difference. So since they have common difference, they are in AP. So this is the best way to recognize whether the terms are in AP or GP. Okay, hope that you understood well. So for geometric progression, you have to go in the rule of multiplication, and in arithmetic Progression AP, you have to go through the common difference concept, that is about addition or getting subtraction between successive terms. Okay, hope that you understood well. So please go through it again and again. You can pause the video and again review in comfortable way. Thank you all for being here.